Yeah. My shadow just sneezed. Bless you. I woke up late inside a vending machine. Bought a dream for $1, tasted like gasoline. My phone started crying, said it misses my hand. So I tuck it in gently with a rubber band. Teeth doing push-ups, brain on vacation. Dots doing donuts in the wrong rotation. I asked my reflection for some solid advice. It said, bro, you're a fish and vanished in rice. I'm praying to a microwave cathedral. Deep, deep gospel, holy and illegal. My soul got stuck on airplane mode. Now I'm speaking static in dollar codes. Amen, bless this mess, let it spin. If reality knocks, don't let it in. Oh, my heartbeat sounds like dubstep frogs, wearing tiny suits, committing tax fraud. Time is soup and I lost a spoon, stirring yesterday with a plastic moon. I shake hands with ghosts at the bus stop. They smell like regret and expired pop. My thoughts wear Crocs in the shower, confidence of a wet paper towel. Hold up, my name just fell out my pocket. Ran away screaming I can't be your wallet. Gravity blinking, Wi-Fi possessed. God left me on red, said I don't know where I'm next. I'm praying to a microwave cathedral. Deep, deep gospel, holy and illegal. My soul got stuck on airplane mode. Now I'm speaking static in dollar codes. Amen, bless this mess, let it spin. If reality knocks, don't let it in. If you hear this backward, I apologize. If you hear this forward, same thing applies. Think, food's done, so am I.